Alright, it's final day. Got the morning here to fish. We're going to be fishing for pike, bass. That's the target species this morning. Fishing Mexico Bay at Lake Ontario. I hooked a, like I think in the last video I said, but I hooked a pretty big pike yesterday and we saw some really big ones swimming around, so we're hoping to get on a couple this morning. The bass have been really biting well, so hopefully that sticks with us today too, so stay tuned. Overcast day, a little light drizzle, so some days that's a really good day to fish that I've found, so hopefully that holds true. Is it?
Small one.
Dude, this rain's getting bad.
Yeah.
I thought I brought a jacket. Move out of the way there, bud.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave that on.
It's a big one. Oh, baby.
One more jump, it'll be off. I don't know. It's right here.
Come on, baby. Out there. Oh. That's a big one. Nice fish. Oh, that's a stud. That's awesome. Pick that baby up in front of the camera. That's a big one. I'm gonna get a picture of that one. That's 28, 19, 20 inches. Oh.
How in the world did he do that?
There we go, boy. Double. Oh, another big one, guys. My dad's getting his off. I just hooked a big one. Oh my. Oh, it's a slob. Oh, look at that double, Dad. We're getting two pictures. Look at that fish, Dad.
That's a dandy.
Wow. That's awesome. You got it. No, Dad, don't leave that go yet.
Well,
I want to get a picture with you. Double. I have this rain suit on, but I just hooked a big one too. Get up here, Dad, and show that camera. Look at this. Oh, that's why you fish right there for days like this.
Yep. Dandy.
Look at that. Put them like that one. Wow. Awesome fish. All right, let's get a picture. Aaron, do you mind getting a picture of us together? I got my phone right here.
Good.
Thank you. Hold on, Ben. One more time right there. What a day. Awesome already. Two beauties. Thank you. Yeah, sweet. That's
both took off like a bullet.
nice job. Another one, baby.
That's a good one. Thank you. Nat, somebody, Nat. Can't come in? No, I'm not trying to pull him off over. He's a big one.
Fish are biting, baby. You gotta love it. Nice fish. That is a nice fish. Oh, not as big as I thought.
They got big fish enough.
Yeah, that's a nice one though.
You can't pull him off over the side.
Nice job.
Oh, wood. And then broke them off.
Nice job. Show the camera.
On the tiger trout.
Nice job.
Jerk bait.
Nice. Nice fish.
Down, baby. Oh, that's a good bass.
You need a net? Aaron? That's a nice one, man.
Yeah, he'll break you off. Huh? I'm break you off there, right?
You know that's going on film.
And you don't count.
Nice, Dad. There you go, Dad. Nice fish, buddy. That's a nice pike.
Wow.
Nice fish, Dad. Let me get a picture of that one for you.
I gotta get them on first. That's an easier hook than the one I had.
Don't just get a picture and then we'll get it.
I'm trying to hold it. I can't even hold it. It's slippery.
Nice fish. Net, Dad.
I got my line out. Hold on. Your buddy's coming.
Yeah, Airedale. Got a nice gar on. We've been fishing for a while in the pouring rain. I missed some of this film. Aaron's gonna help me net it. Still has some fight on there. You might have to get him on this side. Over here and catch this, buddy. There we go. Sweet. Got a gar. They're just a cool fish cat. Yeah.
Got your phone?
Yeah. It's laying right on the staff. Gotta show you guys this baby. That's a cool fish.
Oh boy.
Look at that, guys. What a cool fish. Awesome fish. It's a good size one. It's so unique. These are long-nosed gar. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's just that little snout there is full of teeth.
Okay, I got it.
Let this cool fish go. Armor plated too. Like a bullet. Oh, I missed him. He came up out of nowhere and slapped it. See that one, Aaron? That's him. There we go, guys. Another pike. They're biting like crazy, everybody. The fishing is awesome today. This is the third pike. I've had 3 pike and I wasn't using a leader because I was bass fishing. Not that big a one, but I'll take it. And they've cut me off, so I put on a leader and I finally just landed one.
Him and I weren't best buddies till that day. You weren't. Well, it irritated me though that he was my buddy up until all this went south. Yeah.
There we go. I watched him hit it.
Cameron?
That's one. There we go. Not a huge one again, but another pike. They're biting. That's the 4th one. I've had 2 like 25 inchers hit, but I didn't hook them, unfortunately. I'll take it. like these swim baits, that's for sure. Little pike. And that's a wrap. We had a great morning catching bass and pike, and actually one gar too, so no complaints. But we're loading the boat and we're heading back to Pennsylvania. So it's been a good couple days of fishing. No complaints. So I'm signing out. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Why don't you say it, Aaron?
Keep rolling them in.
That's the motto.